am back at it again. Can you feel me? Do you feel me? Do you really feel me though? It's okay if you don't. But today's video is going to be on hygiene, my whole 2020 hygiene routine or whatever. So I'm going to just show y'all some products. Maybe you want to go out and buy, you know, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to just show you everything I do to my body, basically. Okay, so the first few products are basically what I wash up with. So basically, I love this product, like, so much. Like, it smells so good. Like, I hate coffee. Like, I don't like drinking coffee, but the smell of this is amazing. And it plus it scrubs, so I like to put this on my butt to like just scrub my butt, because usually like caffeinated like coffee type stuff helps with stretch marks and stuff like that.
Write that down, write that down!
So I definitely use this, and I always use Dove. Like, it depends on the day. Sometimes I just want to be like smelling like coffee. Other days I just want to smell fresh and clean, like, you know, all the other stuff. But I definitely use these two and the pink one. I forget what that one was called. But yeah, I like all Dove products for real. Okay, so while I'm in the shower, I usually scrub with Tree Hut, but I ran out and I'm not about to show you like an empty container. But I do scrub my body, and if I don't feel like scrubbing my body, I'll just use the scrub and wash. This one, because it's like a scrub too. So either I use that or that. So yeah, I always use Dove Sensitive Skin Bar for my yoni vaginal area, because it doesn't irritate my skin, doesn't irritate anything down there. This is like the only soap that I use down there. Don't ever use whatever that Vagisil, all that other stuff. I promise you, it just makes your vajay worse. Like, no, don't use that. Literally, no. So basically, when I hop out the shower, I always put, I always, yo, you did not see that. I always use Dove deodorant. I'm not a heavy sweater, so I don't need heavy duty deodorants or anything, but I just use this. I like the smell of cucumber. Yeah, and I used to use this spray, but I just didn't like it. Like, it just felt like it wasn't doing anything. Like, I was just spraying air on my armpit and hopefully I don't sweat type thing. So I don't use the spray one at all. And then I lotion up with my cocoa butter. This joint smells so good, and it moisturizes my skin. Like, I used to use everything, Jeggings, everything else, but this is the only one that actually lasts and made my skin supple and moisturized. And then I seal that moisture with Vaseline's Cocoa Radiant Body Oil, and like I put them together. It's like the perfect mix. Like, these were meant to be together forever and ever, till death do its part. Like, these two does wonders. You gotta try it out. Like, for you guys to understand, like, you gotta try it. It's so good, and I just can't explain it. You just gotta try it out. You just gotta try it out. Okay, so like once I'm done lotioning in the shower, I usually start with my face. It depends if I take a night shower or morning shower, but I'm gonna have a whole skincare routine for you guys. That video should be coming out soon. So yeah, just stick to it. But I'm gonna just show you like the products that I do use, and then you can watch the routine video to show how I use them, when I use them, like why I use them. But I've been using this. I just got this like a few weeks ago, and it did wonders to my face. Like, I should have been switched to this not hair. Slow down, Naomi. Okay, so basically, I use this. It's called Bamboo Charcoal I can read. Detoxifying Foaming Facial Wash with Turmeric Extract. And this stuff is so bomb. Like, it's so good. So I use that, and I use Garnier Skin Active Rose Water. This one's so good, and it lasts so long, and it has hyaluronic acid, so definitely if you have dry skin, you should try that out. What else? I always have an SPF lotion. I use Cetaphil's because I like Cetaphil. I used to use their facial wash before the Shea Moisture one, and that one did okay, but not as good as this one. And I also always scrub my lips at night, because who wants crusty, dusty lips? Not me, okay? Not me. So yeah, you can get this at my shop, my Nomi Care shop. This one is spearmint flavored, so it's good. Right after you brush your teeth, you can just... And then for the nighttime, usually I like to do an oil cleanse with our Nomi Care Marigold FaceTime Face Oil. It smells like oranges. It smells so good. Like, I love using this before I wash my face. So basically, you'll see in my skincare routine. But this is bomb for that. So I've started using that. Okay, so the next thing is, like, I literally just use a regular toothbrush, and I use Crest Complete. Honestly, I just be picking up anything at the store. Sometimes I pick the whitening ones, sometimes I pick like the complete ones. Like, it doesn't really matter. And then mouthwash, you definitely need mouthwash. Gargle your mouth, bro. You know how much bacteria is in your mouth? A lot. You need to kill them all. Even at 1%. Okay, so the next thing, like, you can't forget flossing either. Like, you can prevent gingivitis today if you purchase floss. But yeah, I definitely floss every morning. Gotta get in them gums. What's next? Let's start with the fragrance, okay? Let's smell good, ladies. You need to smell great. I mean, you don't have to smell great, but at least smell clean. Once you get clean, you know, you can add a little pizzazz, it's like sprinkles on top of ice cream, even though I don't like ice cream. But you get what I'm saying? It's like the cherry on top. So my favorite one is Victoria's Secret Vanilla Bean. Like, I can't go anywhere without putting this on. Like, it's really sweet. Like, I love this. I'm addicted to it. Like, yeah, that's all I have to say. Like, this smell is bomb. Like, I got that one, and I also have Pure Seduction by them. I don't use this as much. I use it once in a while. I don't even remember what it smells like for real. Yeah, it's a little peachy, and I think that's why I don't really use it that often. Like, I just like vanilla smells, like, personally. What else do I use? I use Sun Ripened Raspberry. This one's really good. I like that one. I use that often. I also like 1,000 Wishes. 1,000 Wishes smells so good. Let me smell it real quick. Yeah, that joint smells great. And I also like Champagne Toast. And this one smells really good. I don't use this often because I've been addicted to Victoria's Secret Vanilla Bean, but I definitely use this during the Christmas time and like festive events and stuff like that. Okay, so this is for when I'm on the go. You're gonna be like, why do you have baby wipes? Like, who does that? You're not a baby. Whatever. On the go, I usually use these to, like, just clean my vaginal area. I feel like toilet paper don't do nothing for me. Like, it makes it dry, but does it clean it? No. So literally, I use these. These are flushable. They're by Charmin Ultra Soft. But yeah, I basically use these. I put them in my purse, my book bag, or wherever I'm going, just to stay fresh. So yeah. Okay, so the final item that I do have is tea tree oil. This is so good to have around. Usually I use this after, like, I shave my vaginal area. Sometimes I put it on my armpits. It really helps control sweating and smell as well. Sometimes I even put this on my hair for stimulating purposes. But yeah, this is definitely something you should invest in. I feel like it's really good, and it helps with ingrown hairs. Like, when I started using this, I haven't seen, like, anything, like, literally. Okay, guys, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the products I use. Maybe you'll go out and buy some. I don't know. That's your business. But I'm definitely going to do a skincare routine, a nighttime and morning one, because they're two separate things. But definitely like this video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and, you know, sharing is caring. Okay, so, you know, pass it along. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, thank you for watching. She can do it all.